Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed online mode in Python. It has two touch sensors, USB camera, a light, lamp, and in the back a propeller. The lamp is to show that some response is going to happen, like a turn or whatever, driven by the sensors. It has an active sonar as well to detect, for example, these objects or the big object, whatever. And the propeller on the back is running as long as the algorithm runs. No cloth this time, because any ripple effect on the cloth has a direct effect on the robot. Also, I want to see if I can get the robot to move after all with higher speed, and that is exactly the problem which I'm facing now. How much distance and how much speed is desirable considering the results of the last video. Previously I lowered the speed in order to have enough time for it to pause here, here, here and here to decide the trajectory and to have as many pictures as possible. But that turned out not to work because the weight of the robot turned out to be too much for lower speed. And that is a problem, of course. If it can't move because of the weight, I have to increase the speed again, which leaves way too few options or possibilities to take an image, because that is what it is about. Taking an image using with OpenCV in HSV color space, UE saturation value, so I can distinguish the red color. So, what to do? Well, first of all, let's see if the robot wants to run anyway. And it gives, and that is typically Python. I get an error for inconsistent use of tabs and spaces in indentation. So I need to go to line 323. Yes. So I need to use spaces, and then the previous line is good and the line after that is good. So let's try again. And I get another message, in the same message actually in line 338, and I have to replace tabs by spaces. Third attempt, looking slightly better, no errors yet. And that is correct because it starts. And now the question is, does the robot go? No, it does not. It has a zero image. Why does it have a zero image? something with a grey image. In camera action 0, grey image is being done. Yes, that is logical, that's part of the camera action procedure. And then it says grey image something error. Anyway, this doesn't work, so let's see how we can get it to work. So here you see the problem that the last problem that I had, which is due to a 0 image, of which I don't know the cause. And here you see the errors I was talking about with lines 332 and 338. Inconsistent use of tabs and spaces, and I replaced the tabs by spaces on both lines, of which this one is the latest. And I think anyway, all good now. But the robot doesn't do anything yet, so let's try to run it again. Oh, and that's a good one. What does this do? Except for flashing display, which is no good. And again, what does it do this time? That is no good. Another attempt. Let me wait. Okay, connection connected. That's good. Lifting the wheels off the ground. See, it definitely wants to run. It just doesn't do it. Okay. That was a very short drive moment. Another one. And that's it. So, for some weird reason, it just doesn't do it. But what is it? Taking a lot of images. While 0, while 1, that's okay. But then what does it do? 49 centimeters. Is that so? That was, yeah. It is 45 now. $49 again. Once more 49. And that's it. And measuring really, oh wait, it might have taken the big object, which is 58. This one is 45. So that is doubtful, very doubtful. All right, let's check in the in the big distance here. Contact, I'm going further than contact. Contact, I don't care. Oh wait, I need to check on here. Check here. I have set the speed here to 62, but it has proven now that it really is too slow. It doesn't do a thing. And what do I want here? While motor not links finished. I could expand this while not motor links and motor rest finished. Would be better. But I think I need to cut out this whole thing. This part of the code needs, I think, needs to cut out. To be cut out. It has no use. I can do the camera action, of course. That's no problem. Then I know that there is one done and the rest is going here. So what do? This will be the same. Oh wait, I have, oh that doesn't matter, that doesn't matter. Set fan speed, yeah, right, okay. I can keep this in. This one as well, keep these ones out. And this one there as well. Time sleep action, go. And then here, while not, and then insert here a bracket. And insert here, and motor rest dot finished. That should do it. Now it looks at both motors being finished. Given the fact that they are not always equal, it may turn here or turn there or turn in a circle, I don't know. But this seems like the best way to do it. So let's try this one. And it's now at 45. Let's enlarge the distance a bit. And which makes it 55. No. Which makes it 65. So let's go for that one. Go. I should get now. No, not again, please. Last time also I got very little stuff to do because of many errors I got. Now things look like better. One camera action. Yes, go. That, yes. What? 808. Where is 808? Counter 0 pre not defined. This is sonar distance. Okay. Counter 0 pre. Looking backwards. Putting a bottom. This putting a top. Okay, this is the first one. In contact 1 state, which is either one of these being touched. So I can skip that for now. What is going on? This is sonar. Why is it skipping it now? It didn't happen before. Okay, let's just go on. Oh, brilliant. Wasting time. Wasting a lot of time by useless errors. Yes, please. Not the same error, please. The same error. Exactly the same error. Okay, what? This is 808, and where do I find 03? There. Next one is at top. And this is only here. I have disabled part of the code here, but this is no pre. Oh, wait a second. If contact is, this is being dealt with, this part of the code is always being dealt with. And I can verify this a bit. I am here at column. No, there's no column here, which I don't like. But it is on space 8, I think. Now let's go now to the other one. So it is the first condition after all. If as long as state is 0 not touched, contact 1 and 2 not touched, and sonar distance larger than something, which is 30. Oh, wait, yeah, larger than 30, yes. Well, it is larger than 30 right now. Oh, that's interesting. Anyway, this doesn't make sense. So all contacts are 0. Yes, all contacts are 0. Sonar distance is way larger than 30. I still don't get it. I never got this problem before. Why is it acting up now? What does it say anyway? Counter 0 pre. It is here. It does have counter 0 end. But where is counter 0 pre? It doesn't show. And with the other one, it doesn't show. Do I have to change my algorithm? And this is unfortunately one of those events that you slow down a lot. Okay, I have to check this out, obviously. Alright, so what to do? I didn't find any real error. I just changed this line and added 0, 0, 1000 because of the 0, 0 and the 1000 here. And this if condition should be met in this location. So try again. Okay, getting sick of this. What happens? Network error, empty, appended. But why does that network error happen? Should I restart it? Well, no, because it does go on. Okay, one more and then I'm going to restart it. Okay, better. Although the premature end to JPEG file is kind of common. Now I need, yes, that's good. And there it goes. Because of an empty image. Now let's see here. That's one thing, but all these images are useless. This image is useless and this one is. So, not that it has a huge impact, but 14 and then 34 and 22. This is one of the starting images. And since it has barely moved, the result image with HRV is the same kind of stuff. No news there, except for an unusual number of failed messages, failed images. And yes, okay, one more. Now I'm going to reset it anyway now. Although I know it works because I get images. 22.0, 15.22.0. Do I have it? No, because it is a filled image. It won't be copied. 1.10.0. Yeah, 1.10.0 and 1.10.0. Those are there. And then this one is the filled one. So it is being copied, but no use. So let's see about it. One. Let's see. That's a 15. Yes. And the ordinary one. So this is the latest. Come on. The latest one before shit happens. What is it any good? No. None at all. Alright, last attempt. So reset, or more appropriately power off, power on, and see what I can get then, if I can get it then to write. So what do I have to do? Quit and exit and exit and the power off. Okay, a quickie. I did the power cycle on the robot, and to my surprise it did not retain date and time. So there was something wrong. Let's now see if it wants to do anything at all. Are the wheels running? No, they're not. And counter pre is not defined. So, okay, let me edit it one more time. And I am going to edit out this one, or more appropriately, alright, this is the original. Let's see if this works better. Okay, never mind. Last attempt. Slightly better. And never mind. Okay, that's it. No more time, unfortunately. And with that, I end this rather disappointing episode, which can happen. Things may go wrong, and Murphy has completely visited this episode. So whatever is the cost, I don't know. Thank you for watching anyway. If you like this episode, well, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you like, whatever, non-commercial. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can show your support by making a small donation, and you can show your support by becoming a patron and by a monthly pledge. Have your name mentioned, either on my website or with my video as well. And this is obviously going to be continued. So, thank you for